Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. Oh, I need gloves, that'd be helpful. I have a special order where I have to do 60 bars. The client, it's for a baby shower, and the baby's a girl, so it's baby pink, but one of the loaves is white and pink. I was debating whether or not to show you all three because two of them are sort of the same. All, like 2 loaves will be 1 cent, 2 loaves will be another, the last 2 loaves will be the other. It's a total of 60 bars. So I think what I'm going to do, because guess what today is? Today is August 11th, and it's the first Lions preseason game. I'm so happy. Anyway, yeah, I paused, not paused. I'm recording the Lions game so I can make soap with y'all. But anyway, I think what I'm going to do is, so this Friday, I'm going to make the easiest one because it's just pink, and she wants it scented with apple cinnamon. And then on Tuesday, I'll do the next one, and then next Friday, I'll do the last one. Hopefully you guys aren't bored out of your mind, but like I said, I have to do them all, so why not? I mean, I haven't been recording special orders for you guys. I didn't record my special order of the, dozen Grooves in the Heart whip soaps because you guys had just seen me make whip soap, but, soap is soap. This is my Hathor recipe. And in my lye water is distilled water, something, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. And you know what I thought about? Because I'm actually, like, really technically measuring out my micas after this gets all stirred in, I'm going to have to, oh, actually, I can just stir my mica into my oils. So I got to turn my fan off. So, because this is a double batch, I'm going to try, this is watermelon pink. Ordinarily, this is, a pretty, light pink. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 of the pink, and I'm going to add TD to it. So that way it's, and actually, I think I'll just dump my TD and I'll just dump my, well, no, I won't do that. Let me get another spoon. Unless I have one in my top drawer that's actually a measuring spoon. Let's do it like this. Granted, this is a tablespoon. I'll only do half a tablespoon. We'll see how, I'm going to leave it out just in case I need it. You mix this in here first. It's like I said, and this fragrance doesn't speed up trace or anything. Let me get this mixed in. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to be pinker than that, I think. So let me do another half. Oh, you know what? I didn't even think about it. Oh my gosh, Dylan. No, you haven't been soaping for 13 years. What the heck is the matter with you? The lightning of it isn't going to be so grandiose until I stick my lye in there. Oh my goodness. There's something wrong with me, y'all. I swear to God. I'm just happy. The football season is gonna start. I'm so excited. I watched 3 games yesterday because, like, I stayed up till 3 o'clock in the morning to watch them. 2 that were on live, and then 1 that was a replay from earlier in the night. I have NFL Network, and I know you guys don't want to hear about my football escapades, but y'all know what a sports fan I am, and football is, like, by far my favorite. I've been watching it my whole life. But anyway, something. I don't remember what the heck I was going to say, but I'm very excited also on HBO Max. They have a series called Hard Knocks, and it's done by NFL Films, and they cover like the training camp and preseason of a team, and this year they're doing the Lions. So the first episode dropped yesterday, I guess. So alright, let me get this all mixed up and I'll be right back. Okay, I just added another teaspoon and a half of TD. That looks pretty baby pink to me. What do you guys think? Does that look baby pink to you? You probably can't tell. I think I'm going to add one more, and it's probably all that's in here. Yep. I'm going to add this last one. And then I just have to, let me write down what my measurements were. Where the heck is my pen? Oh, there's my pen. I always keep a pen right here. So for the baby pink, sorry guys, for the baby pink, it was 3 TLPS, TD, and 3 TSP watermelon. Okay, sorry about that. Let me go ahead and finish this up. Oh, that's much better. I'm glad I added that last one. That's much more of a baby pink. Yeah, this special order came through by me having my soap at that boutique. I guess the mother and grandmother came in and loved my stuff and wanted me to make bars. Now I would be making wanted me to make them for the baby shower, and they mostly picked fragrances that I have there. I mean, obviously I don't have apple cinnamon there, it's not fall time yet, but at first it was kind of funny. I have the Skin Safe apple cinnamon from Nature's Garden, and if you guys have seen me make Remember the Time, it does not discolor, but she would really kind of had her heart set on pumpkin spice, and I had to email Gloria, who's the owner of the store, to tell her she can't have pumpkin spice. She's gonna have a brown soap. So, all right, my fragrance. But yeah, my Remember the Time has a white base. This does not discolor. But she wanted to have one of them a fall fragrance, which who can blame her? The baby shower is in November from what I understand. So yes, maybe a little early doing the custom order, but I'd rather have it done, cured on my shelf, ready to go. I mean, she doesn't even want me to let me put you guys down. Sorry, I stopped speaking. Doesn't want me to, oops, sorry. She doesn't want me to even package it, so it makes my life easy. Oh, this is thickening up a little bit. It's because all the TD that's in it. Well, let's do this one first. She does want a bit of a textured top, however. Oop! Almost lost my spatula was being stuck there. Sorry I didn't talk through that before. It's the thing with these big buckets is they're so hard to control sometimes. And I'm gonna have to set them up against the counter. I have these 2x4s in my soap room that I stick these molds in between in order to keep this bowing in the middle from happening, from it coming into the final soap. And I brought one of those 2x4s in here to be able to stick them up against the back wall there. I might have to take some out of this. Let me check. Hold on. Yeah. Look at me making you guys so much for simple soaps win. Let me move this closer. That probably would be a good thing. There's a little bit too much in there because as soon as I put that up against there, there's going to be an issue. Okay. Boy, my TV upstairs is really loud. Can you guys hear that? It's because my dishwasher had been running. My dishwasher can be loud sometimes. And it's brand new. Just got a new dishwasher. All right. So I'm going to take these off of here. Doesn't have to be perfectly flat because like I said, I'm going to texture the top. But I have to wait for it to set up to do so. And now you guys get to see my brilliant idea. Hopefully it works. These 2x4s have quite a bit of soap on them. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I'm leaning forward. I know. Okay. And I am not going to alcohol them at the moment because I don't want there to be a skin on there when I go to, what's it called? You know what it's called. Texture them. Oh my goodness, Sulan, stop it. Look at my new spoons, guys. I told you I got new spoons. They're so sparkly. All right, I'll see you in a few when I texture the tops. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and texture this top without screwing it up too much. We'll see. I'll have to, I let it set up a little bit too much. Actually, I'm just going to have to do it like this, like I do with Dirty Deeds, I think. I'm hoping the Lions don't let me down this year, you guys, because you have no idea the plight of being a Lions fan. Like at all. It's a plight. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm just not gonna do it with. Didn't take long for that to harden up. I don't remember it doing that. Like, I know it's got a lot of TD in it though. Well, so does my Remember the Time. I remember the time the base is white. So, but she wanted every loaf to have, you know, like a rustic top is how she put it. And yeah. She was looking at, there's one other small soap maker. He's only got like 6 different soaps in there, but his soap is melt and pour. Which there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not roasting on it. Don't get me wrong. And he uses these molds, the 3-inch molds. Did I say why I couldn't make all 3 in one night? It's because I only have 2 of these molds. And you know, I wish she would have said to do the smaller ones because I could have just done them all tonight, been done with it. But now I have to wait 18 to 24 hours, empty these, do more, 18 to 24 hours, empty these, do more, you know. So yeah, it's going to take me 3 days to do it, but I'm excited to do it and I'm happy to do it for her and her daughter. And yeah, so I will see you guys in 18 to 24 hours to do the next one, which is completely different. And it's kind of funny. I said I wasn't going to do fall soaps, but here we are, probably in September for you guys, maybe even early October. I don't know. And we've done apple cinnamon. So there you go. There's your fall fragrance. And next week will be, I think it's next week. Next week? Yes, next week will be a Christmas fragrance. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Bye. Hi, guys. We're back to cut this first special order. I'm just going to cut a couple of pieces for you because, you know, it's just solid pink. That way, you know, you don't got to sit through 2 loaves of cutting. I do need my glasses. That would be helpful. I'm going to take some end pieces off. You know, this has been sitting here for a while. I expected that to be harder to cut. Okay. So I'll just cut like 3 pieces, and then I'll cut the rest of the loaves, or the rest of this loaf and the next off camera. And these I will plain and bevel. They are a special order. They're for a special occasion. The customer didn't specifically ask for it, but because, you know, most of my soaps are not, and that's what she's been exposed to. But like I said, it's a special order, so I do that. I'll take these upstairs and sit in my chair at the dining room table, watch TV, and do it. So, yep, that's it for this one. Alrighty then. I will see you guys next week for the next special order soap, because I'm sharing all 3 of these with you guys. So I'll see you next week. Bye bye.